when I open AVG cleaner, it shows me 145. Look, I'll do a quick scan. Look, there is a hidden chachi. Finish cleaning. Done. Free space is 1.44 GB. And if I go for the data storage, it shows something is eating my data, but don't know what it is. It says 30 GB, 30.66 GB and 32, and if you see here it's 1.42 GB free space. And if you check my memory card, memory storage is only 3% used, but it's not showing memory storage, it's showing the this phone storage. So where this space is going, where this free space is going,